Hey guys, welcome back to another great and awesome video. Today we're going to be talking about this guy. This is the flood switch, and we're going to be talking about it versus the flood stem that's in this dishwasher. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Hope you have a great day. Let's get into this dishwasher video. So, I picked up this dishwasher recently, and I just did another video on it yesterday. But I noticed something, right? In all of my videos about this flood switch, which this is the one I had, I don't know why I saved it, but I guess I wanted to go over what's inside of it and things like that. But I noticed that this dishwasher has pretty much a very similar filter, which is filthy, by the way, so use your dishwasher cleaner. And my old dishwasher that I had in the original videos have a flood switch, but this one has a flood stem, and let's go over the difference. I really just wanted to show you what they look like. So let's get into that. So the other thing is, I want you guys to see how filthy this dishwasher is, okay? It looks like it's never been cleaned. I'll take some pictures, but it definitely needs some work. Okay, so we're going to clean it before I stick my hands down in there. But flood switch, flood stem. It also says do not remove. Don't do it. So here we go. First things first. It's pretty dirty. I'm just going to use, I'm going to do two. Okay, there's 6 in here, which if you use it every month, that box that's like $10 will last you for 6 months. $20 a year. Then you have no reason not to use it. So, if you could see that, it's got mold and mildew. It's filthy. Okay. We're going to put it in there. Oh, hey, at least they used the right detergent. We'll put that in there too. Alright. Wow. Huh. They don't fit. No, okay. I was just doing it wrong. So, put the first one in the dishwasher, and throw the other one in there. And also, looks like there's a, yeah. So, throw that away too. So, alright, let's go through it. Let's get it clean. Now that I've got this dishwasher nice and cleaned up, as you can see, I wanted to show you the difference between a flood stem and a flood switch. Okay? So, the flood switch has an electrical connection on the back side or underneath it. It's got an O-ring. The flood stem also has an O-ring to keep it sealed up, but it has a stem that floats down on the bottom, and it says do not remove because it has a purpose. So I'll show you. So you see how it protrudes to the bottom, right? So when it goes in there, it's got the same bracket that the flood switch does, and I'll show you. Okay, I'm hoping that you can see this, but imagine that this is in here. Hopefully this focuses right. Might be. You can see there's a little white piece right here. I'm trying not to get in the camera, but I don't know if you can hear that or not. Found it. So, that's the difference. This one has an electrical connection, and I think it's a thermistor, or like a thermostat type thing inside of it, and that's what's caused these to go bad. This is more of a mechanical thing, so whenever it goes up, it must come down. So whenever the water comes in and it fills up, it lets off that switch whenever it's full. Whenever it's done, whenever it drains, it says, hey, I need more water, or I can receive more water. And that's how that works. So, if you've checked out one of my videos on a flood switch, but you have this, check out your thermal cutoff switch. That might just be the problem, and that's underneath your dishwasher. I have another separate video on that. Be sure to check that out. But for now, that's the difference between the two. Some of you guys have asked, that's why I did a video specifically on this. Thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.